Did you know there are over 128 million pieces of space junk orbiting Earth right now? These pieces range from tiny paint flecks to defunct satellites and even discarded rocket stages. It's a staggering amount of debris, and it's all whizzing around our planet at incredible speeds. But here's the question, why doesn't it all come crashing down? With so much debris up there, you might expect it to rain down on us like a cosmic hailstorm. Yet it doesn't. Why is that? In this video, I'll uncover the science behind why space debris stays in orbit and what keeps it from falling to Earth. Let's dive in. Understanding this phenomenon requires a bit of knowledge about physics, particularly the concepts of orbital velocity and gravity. Space junk or orbital debris is everything from old satellites to rocket parts and even tiny paint flecks. These objects are remnants of past space missions, collisions, and even explosions in space. But how does it stay up there? Why doesn't it just fall back to Earth? The answer lies in the delicate balance of forces acting on these objects. The answer lies in orbital velocity and gravity. Let's break it down. Orbital velocity is the speed an object needs to stay in orbit around a planet. For Earth, this speed is about 28,000 kilometers per hour, or roughly 17,500 miles per hour. Objects in space are moving at incredible speeds, up to 28,000 kilometers per h. This high velocity is crucial because it creates a centrifugal force that counteracts the pull of Earth's gravity. This speed creates a force that balances Earth's gravity, causing debris to continuously fall toward Earth, but miss it. Imagine throwing a ball so fast that it keeps missing the ground and circles the Earth instead. Think of it like a cosmic game of miss and catch. The debris is constantly falling towards Earth due to gravity, but its high speed ensures it keeps missing, thus staying in orbit. Here's the kicker, there's no air resistance in space. Unlike on Earth where air resistance slows down moving objects, space is a vacuum. This means there's nothing to slow down the debris. Without drag to slow it down, debris can stay in orbit for decades. Some pieces of space junk have been orbiting Earth for over 50 years, moving at a constant speed. But when it does slow down, that's when things get fiery. More on that later. As debris loses speed, it begins to descend towards Earth, eventually re-entering the atmosphere. Space junk isn't just fascinating, it's also dangerous. Collisions between pieces of debris can create even more fragments, increasing the risk of damage to operational satellites and spacecraft. Collisions can create even more debris, leading to a domino effect known as Kessler syndrome. This scenario could result in a dense cloud of debris that makes space travel and satellite operations extremely hazardous. This could make space travel and satellite use nearly impossible in the future. The more debris there is, the higher the chance of collisions, which in turn creates even more debris. When debris finally loses speed, it re-enters Earth's atmosphere and burns up due to friction. The intense heat generated during re-entry causes most of the debris to disintegrate. But don't worry, most of it never reaches the ground. The atmosphere acts as a protective shield, ensuring that the majority of space junk burns up before it can cause any harm on the surface. Still, it's a reminder of how fragile our space environment is. The increasing amount of space junk poses a significant threat to both current and future space missions. So why doesn't space junk fall to Earth? It's all about speed, gravity, and the vacuum of space. These factors work together to keep debris in orbit, creating a delicate balance that prevents it from crashing down. It's all about speed, gravity, and the vacuum of space. The interplay of these forces ensures that space junk remains in orbit, circling our planet at high speeds. But with millions of pieces up there, the real question is, what can we do to clean it up? Various space agencies and companies are working on innovative solutions to tackle this growing problem. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think is the best way to address the issue of space junk? And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more space science content. Thanks for watching. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of our universe.